Now I expose the deadly Forex beginners' mistakes that they make when it comes to trading Forex. Number one, when it comes to opening a Forex trading account, beginners, they make so many mistakes. And I don't know why, but let's expose that so that you can avoid making those mistakes. Number one, when it comes to trading Forex, you must be 18 and above. If you're underage, get someone who's a guidance, like your parents, that they can actually open your Forex trading account on your behalf. But just note that everything like deposit, withdrawal will go through their bank account. So you must take note of that. You must actually have an agreement with them. If they agree, they can actually open a trading account on your behalf. But if you are above 18, you can open a trading account without any issue. I trust you understand. Now, how can you open a trading account? It's simple and easy. You go to our YouTube channel, right? YouTube channel Bozza Trader. Right. Once you actually are on our YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe. First thing first, subscribe. And once you have subscribed, you click here, you click all so that you can get notifications, you don't miss anything. Then you can also visit our website, bozzatrader.com. Website. We have a website now, so feel free to actually visit that website on your browser. You scroll all the way down, right? I've actually shared many tutorials here, and you watch this tutorial as to how to open a Forex trading account. Now, if you're watching this tutorial as to how to open your Forex trading account, right? I've mentioned that when you actually open your trading account, you enter an email address that you are using. Once you have actually entered that email address that you're using, you'll actually receive a link to verify your email address. The link will be sent to your email inbox. So you must go to your email folder, Gmail folder, and check that link so that you can verify my email. Now, if you do not get that link, because I've seen many beginners asking me the question, I'm not actually receiving the link, what do I do? You click here and you go to Gmail, right? Now, if you do not receive the verify me email or link, right, you click here on the straight dot icon there, you scroll all the way down and then you click spam folder. And once you click spam folder, you will see this, right? I already opened an account, so this is just something that we've already did it. So you can see here, verify my email. You get it on your spam folder. I trust you understand. It's simple now. I know that you'll be able to have no issue with this. Then now, when it comes to having a trading account, I've seen that traders, they have an issue of opening multiple trading accounts. I advise or guide you that please open a trading account in this way, like when you watch this tutorial, all right? Or when you watch this tutorial, how to also start Forex trading as a beginner. I guide you through as to how to open your Forex trading account using these brokers that I use. Actually, these are the brokers that I use: Blueberry, FXView, IC Markets, and Deriv. Right? So now, once you actually open your trading account, you open only once, not multiple times, not every time. Like when you go to our website, bozzatrader.com. Like when you go to our website, this is our website. Like when you go to our website, you do not have to actually click here every now and then to actually open a trading account. The only thing that you have to do here is you can log into the broker. So it's confusing as to how to log in, right? So now you see, you do not have to open a trading account multiple times. You just open it once. So now if you click here, right, you must actually what, log in, not open a Forex trading account. Here's log in. You log into the broker. I trust you understand. Now, once you have logged in, once you log in, you enter your email address and password. It's simple. If you've forgotten the password or login ID, you let me know so that I can actually assist you in a much better way. Now, let's go to our Traders Hub on this account so that we see what we need actually to do, all right? So that you can actually understand how to actually use the broker, how to actually navigate through the platform, right? Now, when it comes to using this broker, we have a wallet account. I trust you understand. We have a wallet account. We have a wallet account here. and we have the MT5 account here, standard account. Wallet, standard account. Then we have options. This is another wallet account. We have one wallet account, second wallet account, trading account for MT5 that we need to connect to MetaTrader 5. I've shared tutorial on the channel, Bozza Trader, how to actually connect your MT5 account to MetaTrader 5 app. I trust you understand. We do not have MetaTrader 4 trading app here. We only have MetaTrader 4 account. We only have MetaTrader 5 trading account here that you can connect to the app. It's that simple. I trust you understand. Simple and straightforward. Now, when it comes to making a deposit and withdrawal, how to actually do that? I've seen many traders, they are struggling. Some of them, they get to be scammed in some bad investments, like someone will actually come to you, whatever that the two of you talk about, and you end up sending money to that person. Like they show you that you will do this and that and that and that, and you actually believe it. So for you not to be scammed, these are the trusted brokers that I personally use, that you can also use. I recommend for you to actually start using them. We have a demo, we have a real. Sometimes they confuse the demo with the real account. The demo is for you to practice. If you tap demo here, you go to demo account. If you tap to real account, you go to real account. It's that simple. Now, once you have a real account here, you can add money, which is deposit, and you can withdraw money. But you can monitor that here by looking at these sections here. Can you see the section? We have home, we have CFDs, we have options, we have wallets. Wallets, this is where you can actually do the deposits and withdrawals. It's that simple. You can deposit, which is add money. You can withdraw, right? And you can transfer. The transfer is for you to transfer money to the MT5 MetaTrader 5 account. It's that simple. So you can also do it for the demo. You can do it for the real account. It's that simple and easy and straightforward. If you have any questions here, you let me know, because I know that traders, they are struggling here on what's happening when it comes to making a deposit and withdrawal. I've shared a tutorial on our channel, Bozza Trader, so you check that, how to actually deposit and withdraw. It's that simple. I trust you understand. If you have any issue, you have any error, you let me know. Now, when you go to CFDs, here, when you click CFDs, you will see your accounts, your MetaTrader 5 accounts. Now, you can also go to, let's go to the old model. This is the old model, Deriv old model website. All right, so do not panic. We're still on the old layout, and they're still upgrading the website, which means we'll eventually be onboarded on the new layout or design. So no need to panic if you see us trading in this way. All right, now make sure that you verify the account. This is the old model. We can click here for you to actually verify the trading account. You go to account settings, and then after account settings, you'll go to proof of identity or proof of address. Now, if you're actually on this user interface like this one, you will press this, right? Once you press that, you will now go to what? You will go to account settings. It's that simple. So let's go ahead and press there. You go to account settings here. Now, once you click account settings, you will have to provide your what? You provide your proof of identity, which is the smart ID, and also provide your proof of address, which you can actually update your bank statement. Now, when you click proof of address here, you choose bank statement, you choose the statement or the folder that you have, right? You can another location to retrieve your address. It's up to you, right? Upload document, right? You can upload a document, add your information here, and then you click next. It's that simple and easy and straightforward. You scroll all the way up to be able to see the bank statement here and verify the account. It's that simple. Your bank statement will contain the information, the address that you have. So you must actually update the address by going back and making sure that when you're actually now going to verify the address, you actually confirm the information that is indeed correct. It's simple and straightforward. So I trust you understand. Don't confuse the demo account with the real account. That's it. I trust you understand. Now that's all about the mistakes that many traders make when it comes to opening a Forex trading account. and using that MetaTrader or that MetaTrader 5 account, or using the account, or managing the, when it comes to using the broker, you don't know what actually to press, where to press, what to do. This is how you can actually navigate to the broker. It's simple. The things is there, the information is there. If you have any issue, you let me know. If there's something that you like to ask me, communicate with me, feel free to do so. I trust you understand. Right now, before we go to the trading platform, I want us to look at demo and real. When you go to demo, right, you have money that you can use. This is the option money that you can use to what, to trade the rise and fall. This is the wallet money that you can use to what, to transfer it to MT5 or transfer it to the options here. Now you have your standard account here, you have a code, so you can choose any type of account that you like. You can choose any type of account that you like. Now if you go to options here, right, you have money there already. You can click trade here. This is where you can trade the rise and fall. We are still on demo. If you click here, you will actually go what, you will go to the rise and fall. And here, if you like to trade quickly, like you want to trade the ticks, the movement that it moves like Z, you can actually here trade in that way. We have the balance here, the money that we have as the balance on options, and we can actually tap and move to the left like that, and we see rise and fall here. All right, we can try rise and fall. Rise and fall, you can see we have ticks here, we have stakes of $5, and we can say fall, we can say rise, which means after 5 ticks it will count 1, 2, 5, and if it goes to 5, it's still above, we make a profit. That's it. You can see here we've made a profit of $4 because our stakes was $5. I trust you understand. So you can actually try this. If you like to actually try it, you can make money with it, but make sure that you transfer the money. So how you go back here, you can click here and click Traders Hub. Right, it will take you back to that interface, that user interface or layout or design, the website the way it is. So do not panic, don't worry, I'm here for you. If you need any information, you need to ask me anything, you let me know. So this is how you can actually navigate through a broker, right, using the broker. And when it comes to making a transfer, you go to wallets, options, this is where you can trade, all right, CFDs and wallets. I trust you understand. We go to wallets here. I've already explained that multiple times, right? I trust you understand. You can transfer to your MT5 account. If you click transfer here, and this is how actually we transfer on the real account. It's the same thing. If right now you deposit money and it's on a wallet, so you can click here, wallet. Now from to, you click here. So you want to transfer it from this account to this account, which is the options where you will actually be able to trade the rise and fall. And you can just add the, maybe you want to transfer 1,000, just like that, and you scroll all the way down and you click what, you click transfer. That's what you will do when you go to real account. All right, the transfer now is actually completed. You don't want to transfer again, you click cancel there. So now this is the demo account wallet, and we can go to real. It's the same thing on real. You can transfer in that way. Now we are done with this, how we use this broker. We have so many brokers that I use. All right, we have so many brokers that I use. If you are still on this old model, it's simple. You click here, you click cash here, all right, and you click transfer to transfer money from your what, from your wallet to your MT5 MetaTrader 5 account. It's simple. So I can choose here, I would like to transfer the money from my USD wallet to MT5, and then I add the amount here, I click transfer. If I add one here, let's say I transfer one here, and I can click transfer just like that, the money will be transferred. It's that simple. So now I'm done. This is the old model. I trust you understand. So right now we have 499 here, which is that in dollars, right? So now let's look at the trading platform, the mistakes beginners they make when it comes to using the trading platform, MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. It's almost the same thing. All right, now when you go to MetaTrader 5, right, we are on a real account. We are still trading here on IC Markets. All right, this is our IC Markets account. You can visit Bozza Trader. And now when it comes to setting a stop loss and take profit, that's where it gets tricky when it comes to using this actually brokers, right? or using this platform, a trading account. Now, let's look at what you need to do when it comes to setting a stop loss. It's simple and easy, but some beginners, they find it difficult to actually set a stop loss and take profit. Now, since we actually took entry positions here, let's actually go to a demo account, right? It's good to actually go to a demo account. This is a real account. Let's go to a demo account to practice. Every now and then, make sure that you actually apply a demo account. You see, these are my accounts. You can actually use a demo account to practice. Trust you understand. Let's log in and sign in here. And remember, when you sign in, you must have a login ID, password. I've actually that information on our YouTube channel. Sign in here. So now when it comes to setting a stop loss, it's simple and easy. Let's go to codes. Go to codes here. Let's choose any assets. Let's actually choose the XAUUSD. Oh no, let's not prefer that. Let's go to volatility 75. Go to chart, and we click buy or we click sell. Depends on what we like to do. Now let's actually disable this. We go back and click buy. If right now we click buy, you can see enter position of a buy is here. And when you tap here, we have these options here of setting stop loss, and we tap here, and stop loss we can place it below here, below this blue and red line. Stop loss, this is where we set it for buy. And we can actually press this this arrow icon just to set the stop loss, just like that. We are done. Now we can set the one of a sell. The one of a sell must be above. Tap there, tap SL, and that's our stop loss supposed to be. All right, so we click this arrow and modify. Position is modified. You see, we have what? We have the SL here, we have the SL here. It's that simple. I trust you understand. So now when it comes to the lot size, many they have an issue. Right? And they make a mistakes. Like beginners, they make mistakes of, instead of opening 0.01, they will open 0.1 like this, right? In this case, instead of opening 0.01, someone will actually open like this and think that is 0.01. See these mistakes? So you must be careful of this. You must be careful of this. You must open the correct lot size. Do not open the wrong lot size, because you will actually blow your account. You will lose money. Now, we also have what we call time frame. If we type here, you'll be able to see the time frame. Some beginners, they don't really understand what's happening with this time frame. So the time frame is for us to do analysis, to understand the graph, when to buy, when to sell. So we have another tutorial on our channel to actually understand the time frame. I trust you understand. We have another to understand what the time frame. Now, buy, some traders, if they make money like this, some traders, if they make money, they just make money, close trade, make money, close trade as soon as possible. And that is dangerous. If you buy now, you go to profit, you go here, trade, you close trade like this, that's a mistake. Don't do that. All right, make sure that if you buy, you know that it's time for you to actually buy. All right, stop loss, lot size, stop loss, lot size, and time frame. It's what you need to actually trade the market. Now, when it comes to making money in Forex, what do you need to do? What do you need to do when it comes to making money in Forex? All right, let's actually look at that, what you need to do. Now, when you look at codes here, this volatility 100, volatility 75, this is not Forex. These are synthetic indexes. All right, these are synthetic indexes. They are not part of Forex, but they are most like Forex, because we see the same graph, we see the same assets, we see price, which means they're almost the same as Forex, but not Forex. These are synthetic indexes, and USDs are these are what? Commodity. If you click this plus icon here, you'll be able to see that we have different folders. We have crypto, 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 we have EFTs. You see the folders. You see now, this is what differentiates what asset are you trading. So it's important to actually select only 2 maximum assets. Do not select many. If you like to trade the Forex, like Forex major pairs, yeah, all right, Make sure that you are aware what we call trading the news. Go to our YouTube channel. All right, we have this other tutorial that which I shared with you about trading the news, forex news. Yeah, trust you understand. So make sure that you watch that. And when it comes to making losses in forex, please accept making losses. If you make a loss, accept that, because when it comes to trading, see losses as part of the game, part of learning. Don't see losses as part of your failure. If right now you actually trade, you see losses like this, you see them part of actually failing. See them as part of learning, right? And how can you actually learn? It is simple. You need to actually what? Have a journal. Actually buy a book. This will force you, if you have a book, like you can actually reference as to you've made losses, you've made wins, and you can be able to now take responsibility of actually the losses that you actually had right on your account. So it's important to actually what? Have a trading book. If right now you make this profit, you record it down. You record the entry. You can actually record in this way. You record that you made a loss or you made a win. All right, the setup that you took, if right now you're trading the M's or you're trading the W's. By the way, I do share a strategy on our channel as to what strategy to use for you to actually know when to buy and when to sell. We have any technical analysis here. We have when to buy, when to sell, chart patterns. I shared a tutorial there with you to understand in a much better way. I trust you understand. This will force you to improve, right? And if you do not have a trading book, like you don't buy a book, a notebook to record what's happening, you can't improve what you cannot actually measure, right? What you cannot measure, you cannot actually improve it because you do not know, right? So for you to find your mistakes and fix them, you must have a book, right? Get a book so that you can actually record what is happening. Now, another mistake when it comes to making money in Forex, don't think as Forex like quick money. Don't think of Forex like that, right? Forex is not, it's not like you have to like gamble or it's a side hustle. It's not a side hustle. This is like a business. So you see here, we have so many calculations that actually go in place to for you to actually start making money, how much money you need on margin here. I've explained this many times, many over and over again as to what you need to do. So when you trade, you go to codes. Don't choose many assets, just choose 3 or 4. You can delete by going to this pencil icon there, select only, maybe let's say you select this one and this one, just for example, and maybe you like to trade also the Volatility 75, and then you delete, and then you go back. Now you only have 1, 2, 3 to monitor and trade and analyze. I trust you understand, right? Too many pairs will cause you confusion and missed setups. So you won't be able to actually trade. And please do not ignore the risk to reward ratio. If right now you actually trade like this, you see we have we're profiting $1, right? Let's go to chart, right? We're profiting $1. Where is our take profit? Here's our TP. We place the TP above here, above this red and blue line, and stop loss must be what? Below. Even if this red and line is here, we still have to set the stop loss below that so that we can be able to have the correct stop loss. If right now we're talking about risk to reward ratio, we have another tutorial on this channel where I explain risk to reward ratio. But just for you to get the concept, this is how we set the risk to reward ratio. That if you're risking $3, at least profit that $3 5 times. Trust you understand. That is simple. If you're risking $1 like this, you can say this is $1.55. At least profit that $156 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. All right. I trust you understand. So make sure that you focus on what? Focus on making more money with this risk to reward ratio. All right. So beginners, they only focus on how much money they could make, not how much money they could lose. So they ignore what? They ignore the risk to reward ratio. And when it comes to trading, do not open many trades like this. All right. Do not open many trades like this. That will actually what? That will actually make you to start losing money. If right now we go to this silver and what and starts making a sell like this, do not open many trades like this. All right. Taking many trades per day, trying to force profits will actually make you to lose money. So if you go to trade here, you can see that we are on a loss right now. We took so many setups like trades. So it's actually good to actually monitor. Do not over trade. Do not actually go taking many trades. If you like to do that, you must understand the risk that is involved. I trust you understand. So if you have any questions, yeah, and there's somewhere where you do not understand, where you would like to actually improve, let me know in the comment section below. So please make sure that you do not risk too much on just one trade. On one trade, like you open many lot size like this. Do not do that. All right. Do not open and close, buy, sell, open and close. Do not actually be everywhere. Understand precision is important. All right. Accepting loss is important. Do not ignore the news. And it's important to actually understand that. So if you have any questions, there's somewhere where you do not understand about what is going on here,